Welcome to Centro Apartments. Our rental apartments at Centro are conveniently located in Tuxedo Park, near the communities of Crescent Heights and Mount Pleasant. Your apartment is a short walk to endless conveniences like fitness studios, restaurants, green spaces and playgrounds. Your bright, modern apartment has everything you need, with features like in-suite laundry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, laminate vinyl flooring and in-suite air conditioning. Centro is sure to make you smile. Our apartments also have secure, in-suite safes, European closets and Juliet balconies. If you're a small business owner, you'll want to check out Centro's residentially zoned apartments with front entries for each the private and business living space. Combine your living and business expenses by living and working in the same space. All you need is your business license. Our bright, modern apartment has everything you need. A typical day at Centro might be coffee on Rosso Coffee Roasters patio on the main floor, followed by a stroll along beautiful tree-lined streets. And at the end of the day, enjoy your spectacular rooftop patio.